You thought the bear was about food? Nah. That was just the bait. This show isn't about plating. It's about pressure. It's about trauma simmering under every second of service. It's about holding your breath in a walk-in freezer because life outside is even colder. Carmy isn't cooking to thrive, he's cooking to survive. Every burnt pan, every loud ticket, it's just a distraction from the grief, the guilt, the chaos in his head. Sydney's not building a restaurant, she's trying to prove she belongs in a world that keeps gaslighting her. Richie? He's not an angry loudmouth. He's a man who lost his best friend, and now he's clinging to the only thing that makes him feel useful. The bear is about survival. Of mental health. Of identity. Of not letting grief eat you before dinner service does. So yeah, it's not a cooking show anymore. It's a survival story, wrapped in a kitchen apron.